foot.
You have a cramp in your foot.
This is enough. This is enough. Do you see this pink one? Do you see this pink?
I do. B, it says, right?
Do you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, your shoes look a little like Bambi's.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
But they're smaller.
Yeah, I hope so.
So what I'm gonna pick is, do you want this color?
You're gonna pack.
Oh,
this
I love
pizza?
that color. Thank
Right,
you.
you're gonna pack this pizza for yourself?
Okay.
No. God. No.
Sweetie pie?
I'm gonna put
What?
them back.
Don't you want?
I'm gonna put them back.
Sweetie pie? I think your sister would like you to pick one for her. Is that right?
No.
Oh, sweetie. Eliana, we don't know what it is you want. Unless you use your words, Ellie. Eliana, if you tell us what you want, then maybe we can help you. Oh. Okay, well, maybe if you tell her that next time more calmly, she can help you. Alright.
Not all yours. You have to do. But we have to show it. Mike, Nana says it home. Nana says it only home.
Really? Maybe that's not what she means. 'Cause I think she knows that the vitamins belong to everybody.
Maybe she means that they're mine right now because I'm looking at them. Is that what you mean, Ellie?
No, Mike. And you say all yours. Oh, Mike. No, this one Nana say all mine.
Really? Well, I think she knows that she needs to share them with everybody. Can you just everybody give each other a little space?
Mommy,
What is it you want, Rage?
my mommy.
Can I help you get that?
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, that will remind you, huh? All right. Are you okay? Because your hands are getting too big to reach in the vitamins, huh? All right. Well, you're learning. Oh, we don't have to put that away right now.
What are you guys doing in there?
So first open it up. Now then